Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Olga if you're new here. In today's video I decided to share with you some Pinterest inspirational DIY projects that I really liked and wanted to make myself, and project that was in my head for a while. This video is all about golden decor accent pieces, and they are so easy to make and high-end looking in my opinion. I really hope you will enjoy these projects. All the products that I use you can find in the description box below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below which of the projects you like the most. And we are moving to our first DIY adventure. I will start with wall hanging decor and its abstract body line art. I've been looking at those for a long time and I really wanted to make those myself, but instead of making it as I saw everywhere with white background and black line, I decided to give it a golden accent. To make the line, I just printed one that I liked and placed it under the glass. I took the glass from picture frame and applied hand cream on it. From there, I just went along the line with hot glue. And here you can see me adding some hot glue where the line came out very thin. Next I took Dollar Tree photo frame and removed the jute twine. And then I just paint the hot glue and frame with Rust-Oleum metallic gold color. And I gave those about 3 to 4 coats of paint. As you can see, the frame looks kind of distressed, but it's kind of interesting, so I decided to leave it as it is and not continue with covering it totally. Then, after everything is dried, I glued the bodyline art to the background and it's done. I really like how it turned out, and also I like that I gave it a different look and it's not totally the same as I saw on Pinterest and other websites. So yeah, share with me in the comments below what do you think about it. For my second project, I made cement bowl. You can use it as it is, as a planter or as candle holder. I was looking for interesting ideas on Pinterest and came across those beautiful decor pieces. I think it's so beautiful and I had to try it myself. To make it you would need balloons. I took 2 balloons and made them in 2 different sizes. Then took 2 disposable cups and put the balloons on them. Next, I mixed cement with water to get a thick consistency. For the first balloon, it came out a little bit liquidy, but for the second balloon, I made perfect consistency. And it was easier to work with it. Don't forget to wear gloves to protect your hands. My gloves were too big on me, and it wasn't so comfortable to work like that. So I took small portions of the cement and placed it on the balloon to create the shape that I want. I was aiming to get the same kind of shape as you see on the picture. Here you can see me working on the second one, and this is the perfect consistency to work with. At the end, for the second one, I smoothed the surface, but if you don't want to do it, you can skip it. You can see the differences at the end. After I'm done with 2 balloons, I left them dry for 24 hours. Unfortunately, one of them fell out of my hand and broke a little bit. But it was still okay, and I'm so glad that it didn't crack into half. To get the balloons out, I just poked it with something sharp and it easily came out. As you can see, one of them more smooth and the other one more rough. And I choose to paint them inside in different metallic colors. One of them is soft gold and the other one is brushed rose gold. I gave each of them 2 to 3 coats of paint and also painted the edges. I didn't touch it from outside, so let me know if you would paint it from outside as well, or you prefer to leave it like that as I did. And that is it. I love how it turned out. And we are moving to our last project for today, and it's planter decorative stand. For this project we would need 3 hanging decor pieces from Dollar Tree and 30 cm dowel also from Dollar Tree. First, I removed the rope and then made a bigger hole in each of them. The size of the hole need to be the same as your dowel, so just measure the dowel and make appropriate hole for it. Also, you would need to sand all the pieces. To attach the dowel and the slices together, I used hammer. One of the slices should be on the bottom, one in the middle and one on the top. On the slice in the middle, I made the hole a little bit bigger, so I glued it with wood glue. For other ones, I didn't use anything as it was already hard to move them. And also I'm not going to put anything heavy on them, so I think it will be enough. When I attach the slices with dowel, as you can see, I placed them in different directions from each other. Unfortunately, as you can see, I damaged the slice a bit with the hammer, so try to do that as gently as possible. You can use wood spackle to cover the connection with the dowel and to hide any imperfection that you have. But I'm not going to do that as I'm going to use it for a different purpose in one of my upcoming videos, so eventually it will be covered anyway. To paint it, I used the same metallic gold paint by Rust-Oleum and gave the entire stand 2 coats of paint. Next, I'm finally using faux leather ribbon from Dollar Tree and gluing it to edges of the round pieces. Of course, first I measure the length that I need and then cut 3 strips of ribbon and gluing them in the middle of the edges. And that's it guys, planter stand is ready for use. This stand can be used for lightweight faux plants, but if you want to use it for heavier plants, you should use thicker dowel and glue all the pieces with wood glue. First, I was thinking to do it for a different purpose, but while I made it, I thought this is a good idea for a planter stand. Let me know in the comments down below if you can guess what I was thinking to make from it. So that is it you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it, which of the project you liked the most. Also, let me know what you think about my other questions that I asked through the video. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on our next DIY adventure. Bye!